Most landowners believe a joint venture is secured once a developer brings funding and drawings. Capital does not fail at vision. It fails at governance. In corridors like Ikoyi and Victoria Island, JVs collapse before capital debates returns for one reason: there is no institutional governance framework. Investment committees are not evaluating architecture. They are evaluating control. If control is undefined, the deal stops. Here is the core issue. Most land-backed JVs have no clearly documented, board control structure. Reserved matters schedule. Voting thresholds. Step-in rights. Deadlock mechanism. Everything is understood. Nothing is enforceable. Landowners believe contribution equals authority. Capital sees contribution as exposure. Exposure requires contractual control. Without defined governance rights, capital has no ability to intervene if performance deteriorates. That is fatal. Institutional capital assumes stress. It assumes construction overruns, delayed sales velocity, cost inflation, sponsor underperformance. If governance does not allow removal of a non-performing developer, escrow control of revenues, enforcement of milestones, structured dispute resolution, then the risk cannot be contained. An uncontrollable risk is an unpriceable risk. An unpriceable risk is rejected. When governance is weak, developers control cash flow informally. Sales proceeds lack escrow discipline. Cost overruns dilute land equity. Disputes escalate personally. At that point, the asset is no longer institutional. It becomes reputational liability. No credit committee allocates capital into a structure that cannot survive disagreement. And without institutional capital, liquidity disappears. No senior debt. No mezzanine. No structured exits. Just stalled land. The conclusion inside the committee is clinical: there is no enforceable control architecture. Governance risk is uncontained. Return projections are irrelevant. Decline. A joint venture without defined governance rights is not a partnership. It is a litigation trajectory. And institutional capital will not underwrite future court proceedings.